Now let us understand about the topic power. So when we are talking in terms of work done, then sometimes if the energy is more with the machine, then machine will perform the work in smaller period of time because its energy is more, its power is more. So when the energy is associated with the machine or any agent is more, then they are performing the same task in smaller period of time compared to other machine or other agent or other person who are having a less energy, less power or less mechanical energy. So that we are considering under power. Power is more, then the time for that work done is less because its power is more and its energy is more. So power is equals to rate of doing work, that in how much time period you have completed that work, that is known as power. Power is also means the rate of transfer of energy, because in any of the case we cannot generate the energy, we are always transferring the energy. Say for example, mechanical energy is being transferred to kinetic energy. So if that transfer is fast, that means the power is more, and the time period which we are taking to do that work will be less, that means power is more. And in that case, rate of transfer of energy from mechanical energy to kinetic energy, that is fast. So the power is more in that case also. So an agent is doing work W in time T. That expression will give us formula for the power. So that is power. Agent means any machine or a person who is doing a work or any object who is doing a work. So if that work is completing in time T, then we will get a power. That power equals to W by T. That work done in one specific time period, that will give us power. Now power we are measuring in the unit of watt. So this 1 watt power equals to when rate of consumption of power is 1 joule per second. When we are utilizing a power, 1 joule power in 1 second. When we are utilizing 1 joule power in 1 second, that means 1 watt power we have used for that particular work. So that 1 watt power equals to 1 joule per second power or energy we have consumed. Now this watt, other expressions are 1 kilowatt also, and that is 1 kilowatt equals to 1000 watt. Now another conversation for 1 kilowatt is 1 kilowatt equals to 1000 joule per second. So power is basically the ability to do a work or energy of agent or a person or a machine to perform a task or a work in limited period of time. So if time is less, then power is more. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to cover some important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.